Hey you guys, so I am on here. I just wanted to do an unboxing, partially because I just wanted to share a lot of things with you guys and they keep piling up, and I actually do want to freaking use these products, but I wanted to kind of unbox them a little bit. I'm obsessed with the Sephora app, as I've said about 1,000 times at this point. But I keep ordering and I'm kind of addicted, so I'll just show you guys what I've got. And another thing I wanted to talk about was this product. So this is by Pharmacy and it's called Better Days Ahead. It's made with CBD oil and it's a moisturizer. And so the packaging on this baby is so nice with all the marijuana leaves. So I kind of want to try this while I'm on here. And funny enough, I randomly found this, these wipes, for when you use the bathroom, but I think they're also for pretty much anything else, and they're flushable and biodegradable. And this one is rose water flavor. And when I saw these, I was like, I really want to try them. So this is the first time I'm trying this brand. I don't know if you can use this for the face, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I haven't washed my face. First, the smell is amazing. I don't know if it's not rose water, but I do smell rose for sure. I do smell rose. So it does say this is good for any and all restroom activities, which are the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s for that time of the month for women. And then the gym, cycling, hot yoga after your morning coffee. Okay, well, I don't really know if this is for the face, but I clearly don't care. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my face down. I haven't used eye patches before. And so I was like, let me order some and try some under eye patches. And I got some from the company called Milk. And I just had some a little while ago and I really like them. I feel like they kind of gave me a fresher look. So this is an interesting product to try out. It says you could put it in the fridge to give it a little bit more of a chill. The other thing I got was these organic cotton just pads. Another thing I was super excited to get, which I'm gonna open right now, is the Jade Roller. A lot of you probably have seen these or have them yourself and use them. I have never had one before, and so I just got one. It was on Sephora. It's by Herbivore, and I was like, let me start trying this out. I've heard it's really cool. Physically, it helps to firm the skin through gentle massage. It also aids in detoxing through the lymphatic system, the body's major detoxification system. And metaphysically, Jade brings peace and is known to promote harmony and reduce stress. Up here it says that apparently it's been a beauty ritual since ancient times in China, dating all the way back to the 7th century. So it's in that, and I'm gonna go, well, it's not in that, but this is, I guess, what you can keep it in. And this is the product. I don't know if, I feel like I should probably wash this or something. The Armenian in me is telling me don't use it, but I honestly, why did it vibrate like that? Okay, I kind of do want to just try it because I don't really know how you're supposed to use it, but I saw a video briefly, and I think you're supposed to always go in upward motions. So what do you guys think? Do you have a Jade Roller? I know there's other stones that they use. Am I supposed to go on my nose too? I don't know. But yeah, there's other stones that they use now, different colors, different kinds. And then I think this is for under your eye, if I'm not mistaken. But I believe I should probably just do this another time. So yeah, I mean, this is cool, but it's also like, will I get bored of this? Probably. Also, I need a haircut if you can't freaking tell. Anyway, I'm kind of bored of that already, so I will have to play around with that later. Okay, so other products, I got the Baki Chul. So apparently this is an herbal or like a natural version of retinoid or retinol, and I'm starting to experiment in that department, so I wanted to start off with something milder. Another thing by Origins that I used to use and I haven't in a while is something called Clear Improvement. It's for clearing pores, mostly for blackheads, and this works like a charm and I highly recommend it. And you just leave it on for well, it doesn't say, but you leave it on for, I would say, like 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need to leave it on for long, and then it clears out your blackheads. Okay, next thing, which is what I really wanted to try, was my baby, the Moisturizer CBD. So in here, they actually have reishi mushroom. They also have purple ginseng and holy basil to help balance the dry, distressed skin. And it's non-psychoactive, full spectrum, hemp-derived CBD oil. So they're probably trying to distinguish that from, you know, cannabis-derived. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. Definitely not green. I guess it has like a slight green tint to it, but not really. Not that, like, I don't know why I would think it's green, but I mean, it could have been cool if it was green. They could have put like something to make it green. And it smells just like any other cream of this type. So it definitely does not have any sort of cannabis-y smell. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my face. And yeah, I don't know. I just kind of wanted to try all of the products by this brand, and this was one of them, and it just looked like a natural fit. I like that it's thick and it's not watery, because I feel like for my moisturizers, I like them to be sort of on the thicker side. I'm not sure what the CBD is gonna have an advantage over like just no CBD, but I will have to use it consistently and then pretty much go from there. Oh, before I forget, actually, so switching gears, I'm going to show you guys the shoes that I just got by none other than Yeezys. So the pretty much 90% of the reason why I got these, and I'm actually returning them, is their name, which is Ararat. And for those of you who don't know, Ararat is the mountain that, according to the Bible, is where Noah's Ark landed, and it's in historic Armenia. And Kanye, married to an Armenian, Ararat came about. I just wanted to unbox and show you guys, because I actually am going to return these shoes. So this is what they look like. They're called the Foam Runners, but like I said, the Ararat is the main name. So they're sort of similar to Crocs. They're very lightweight. I did try them on, you guys, and they're very comfortable. I will give them that. Here's the thing. A lot of people think these are the ugliest things in the world. I actually happen to disagree. I mean, I kind of don't like how they slope downward, but I don't think they're the ugliest in the world. I think that they're just not the most attractive. So I kind of don't hate them, but I also don't love them. And that's kind of why I'm returning them. Like I said, I don't like the slope down, and I think I really don't like this part where your foot goes in. There's like a big poof above your foot, and I just think that's not nice. That's not sleek looking. And then I already have big feet, so these just make them even more ginormous. So I don't know, like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm glad I'm returning them. I definitely was like swayed by the name more than anything. I don't own any other Yeezys, and these actually weren't too expensive. You had to put like $70 or $80 down, and then you have to pay like the rest of the $80 later, so like around 150 or something. So anyways, these bad boys are gonna be sent back, and maybe if Kanye makes another set of shoes named after something else that's Armenian, or better yet, maybe makes them in Armenia, maybe then I will actually buy and actually wear them. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. It was super random. I just wanted to unbox certain things that I got with you guys. Not only to show you guys, but also so that I can actually start using them. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and definitely subscribe for more of my content. Until the next video, bye!